Donia and Joud. This is mommy.
And what are we going to make, Jude, today?
Cheese and ice and
Teeth and eyes?
and
For whom are we going to put the teeth and eyes?
the crocodile.
Crocodile. Are we going to make a crocodile?
Yeah.
From what? From avocado? So can we
Star.
say, yeah, that's a star. Can we call it crococado?
No.
No, you don't like crococado? It's crocodile and avocado, crococado. Our snack today is super healthy, super easy, and it requires a couple of ingredients, and it's more like a fun activity to do with your kids. It's an activity that will help them to be creative and eat healthy snacks and vegetables, right? Okay, so what do we need? A big avocado.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do we have here?
Cheese.
Teeth. What did we cut the teeth from? What's that? What? Carrots. So we cut the carrots as sharp teeth, and we have sliced olives to use them for the eyes, and we have cucumber also for the eyes. We have here 1 small garlic clove minced and 1 tablespoon of cilantro. We're going to make it simple. And then a lime. Yeah. Okay. So I cut the avocado already. We're gonna open the avocado. It's slippery. Let's take the peel off, the seed off. Okay, we will cut the avocado and take it out to mix it. Okay, can you put the cilantro and the garlic inside the bowl?
Yes.
Take it, catch it with your hand and put them inside, please. Use the spoon. Let's scoop the avocado out.
Yeah. And then
Yes. We don't want to throw the peel and the outer shell. We need that for our crocodile. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about avocado. Avocado are super nutritious. They are really nutrient dense, loaded with unsaturated fat. Fat.
Yeah.
Yes. Unsaturated fat is important for the development and growth of kids, and it's readily available in the avocados. They have vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E, calcium, phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are good for the bone health, and vitamin A for the eyesight, and vitamin K also for the bones. So it's like mainly avocados are loaded with 20 mineral and vitamin, and it's a fiber also. It's fiber dense. Let's put some lime.
Lime?
Okay. This?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's enough. You can mix it now. So you can start giving avocados for your kid, for the infants as their first food. You can give them to toddlers, to everyone. And what's good about and what's really nice about avocados, they have this buttery texture that you can, so it's very versatile and you can use it in different things. So you can use it in smoothies. Okay. You can use it in smoothies, you can use it in baking instead of butter, 1-to-1 ratio. You can use it to butter instead of buttering the bread. You can have an avocado spread on it as a condiment instead of ketchup, mayonnaise. As a dessert by itself, you can just cut the avocado into halves and drizzle some honey on it and offer it to your kids. Okay, avocado is ready and it's mess all over. I don't know why. Let's fill the shell.
Inside?
Yes. I will show you. Take some avocado, put them inside.
Oh, yeah, just put. Just put here.
So that's my avocado head. Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, I will put them inside. You spread them inside. Yeah. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you're spreading? Are you spreading? Okay.
Oh.
That's fine. You can eat it. So that's our crocodile head ready. Let's construct the face. You want to put eyes on the side. Okay. Oh, take the second eye. On the other side. And then we will take the eyeballs. Wow. You having fun?
Yeah.
So that's the eyes. And now we are going to put the teeth on the sides. Oh. You're gonna add some teeth? Sharp teeth.
So the sides. On the side.
On the sides, yeah.
Here or no?
Yeah, you're gonna put all over the sides. Does a crocodile has a sharp teeth? Yeah. It's as simple as this. We're putting orange teeth.
Orange teeth.
And carrots are full of vitamin A also?
Yeah.
True. And it's also good for our eyesight.
Uh-oh, I put two. Oops.
It's ready. You can use that as a dip, so you can offer that with some cut vegetables. I have here carrots, cucumber, and yellow peppers. It could be celery, or you can use it as a spread on bread. Yeah. You want to show them your crocodile?
Boat. And a boat.
It's also like a boat. Yeah. And take avocado and spread it on the star. And we have now green star. And then we take a bite. Yum, yum.
That's about to say goodbye.
Goodbye, and hope you enjoyed that. And if you made the crococado, send us pictures in the comments. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.